Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix slow download speeds in the Xbox app on Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Delivery Optimization. Open it, then find the download options. Change the bandwidth option to Absolute Bandwidth Limit. Make sure the limits are set high enough, so Windows does not unnecessarily restrict your download speed. This allows the Xbox app to use more of your available internet connection. Next, open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Temporarily turn off real-time protection. In some cases, security scanning can slow down large game downloads. After your download is complete, remember to turn real-time protection back on to keep your system protected. Another common cause of slow downloads is other programs using your internet connection. Close any applications that may be downloading or streaming data in the background. This includes web browsers, Discord, Steam, cloud storage apps, and video streaming services. Freeing up bandwidth can help the Xbox app download faster. If you're downloading games on an Xbox console, avoid playing online multiplayer games while the download is running. Also, do not use remote play during downloads. Both of these activities use a significant amount of bandwidth and can greatly reduce download speeds. Thanks for watching.